Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slay DTI with this ultimate non-VIP Medusa outfit inspo. So if you want to transform into a mythical monster without spending a dime, this video will break down the non-VIP Medusa outfit piece by piece for Halloween theme in DTI. Now let's just get started to make this look. So first, for the skin tone, I'm using this green color, and then it's the that I'm using. For the hair, I'm using black hair, just to and change it into black. Now you can just head into the dressing room here. First, I'm going to put on the top for the mermaids that in here and change the color to this green color. This is the hex code, and I'm going to put on this bra from the reward box, and I'm going to use this snake pattern and go to the Lady Gaga items and put on this top. And first color, I'm going to use the snake pattern, and the next one, use the green color. This, and go to the battle updates and use this flower. I'm going to combine black and gold for this one. Okay, now go to the code items and put on this long dress. Use color here combined with black, so the color will be dark just like this. For the details, I'm going to use black and gold. Now go to the rewards item and put on these nails. Change the color to black and gold. That, and then use another one here. Then I'm going to use on the seashell crown. Just use the green color. Here's the hex code for the green. So on. Let's go out now. Here, go to the accessory section. First, I'm going to use this hat piece. Change the color into, again, the green color. Then I'm going to use this pearl necklace to color it into number 3. Change the color into black. And then I'm going to use this skirt to color it into white and use the snake patterns. Just head into the women's section and put on the last item. Top right here, change the color to the pattern. So this will be the final look for Medusa in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.